ये हमारे ब्लूपर्स हैं, लाइक ये Hello, hi, hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome back to the third episode of 3 by 2 with One Love, right?
Third episode. We are 3 episodes
Third episode.
down, Vandana.
Yeah, exactly. Third episode तक पहुंच भी गए.
Very fast.
Yeah, exactly. So today we have this very, very interesting topic. And you know that when me and Lovepreet used to talk with each other, maybe on WhatsApp or like हम लोग chat कर रहे हैं या we are on phone, we always like after we end the call, we are about to end the call, we always say take care, ध्यान रखियो अपना, कुछ भी problem होती है just let us know. Right, so then we were thinking कि बोल तो देते हैं कि take care of each other, but how exactly do we take care of ourselves? So taking care of yourself is the motto or the topic for today that we are going to discuss.
What
So,
an opening.
like, you want to say something?
Yeah, of course. तो पहले तो आज जिस दिन recording हो रही है और जिस दिन ये most probably upload होगा, it is the World Environment Day. और thanks to Vandana, she was wearing green. तो आज उसने हरियाली लेके वो आई थी. And I had to change into green just to compliment her. So yes, wishing you all a very, very, very happy World Environment Day. I just came out from a session which was all about environment. And एक चीज which I want to tell you all is taking care of yourself, taking care of people involves taking care of the environment as well. तो जब आप अपना ख्याल रख रहे हो, लोगों का ख्याल रख रहे हो, in that process just make sure that you're taking care of your surroundings and the environment as well, because that is going to actually add years to your life, right? तो ये आप कभी मत भूलिए कि एक जो आज हम टॉपिक उठा रहे हैं, सेल्फ केयर का टॉपिक जो उठा रहे हैं, जो कि एक बहुत वाइड, इट इज अ वेरी वाइड एंड सब्जेक्टिव टॉपिक, right? It involves one thing which stays common for everybody regardless of what kind of person they are, is to take care of their environment. Once you take care of your environment, when your stimulus is positive, you automatically are going to feel very, very positive, you know. Notice karna kabhi, if you have planters around your room, you know, if you have some nice garden in your house, normally jab aap bahar jaake wahan baithoge na, that place gives you a different level of comfort and peace, you know. After a stressful day of work, going into your balcony and just watching the stars, watching the trees, when the wind is blowing, that moment is a moment of peace, as opposed to that environment jab aap artificial cheezon ke around ho, when you are, you know, just around wires and computer devices and stuff like that. तो कभी कभी लोगों से भी ज्यादा खुशी ना आपको पेड़ पौधे और environment दे जाते हैं. And so जब आप, when you're keeping them as a backup, when you're relying on them for your happiness, it's very important for you all, for every one of us to take care of that environment and give back to it, right? तो काफी आध्यात्मिक तरीके से हमने शुरुआत की है और अब हम
But it was much needed, I would say.
ये random था यार वंदना, this was very random, I swear. ये बहुत रैंडम था. वैसे हम लोग जो बात इस पॉडकास्ट पे हम करते हैं ना, इट इज ऑलवेज रैंडम,
very random,
always going to be very impromptu, abrupt, जैसे हम नॉर्मली वीडियो कॉल्स करते हैं. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, ऑन द डे ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग ही हम इस चीज को लेके मिलते हैं. मतलब ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग जब एक्सप्लोर कर रहे होते हैं अपनी अपनी लाइफ में, इंडिविजुअल लाइफ में, वी डू कम अक्रॉस टॉपिक्स, टॉपिक आइडियाज हम व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ कि लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दिस, और मे बी वी शुड टॉक अबाउट दिस. बट उसके अलावा प्लानिंग कोई नहीं होती. मतलब लिटरली पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट होने से 3 मिनट पहले आप ब्लूपर्स में देखोगे, हमने लिटरली तब चेंज किया, मैंने तब चेंज किया और तब हमने बैठ के सोचा है कि यार ये टॉपिक है और इसमें हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं. एंड सिंस वी वर डिस्कसिंग, तो ये बहुत वाइड टॉपिक है, इट्स अ वेरी वाइड टॉपिक जिसमें there are so many ideas. Everybody has their own way of showing love to themselves. Unfortunately, in the process of taking care of our loved ones, of our dogs, of our colleagues, you know, of people around us, we forget to take care of ourselves. Majority times तो हम रखते ही नहीं है ख्याल अपना, और जब हम रखते भी हैं तो at times we don't realize कि हम self care कर रहे हैं, या फिर हमारे तरीके बहुत सारे हैं. तो उसको ना एक वीडियो में इकट्ठा करना, 20 मिनट्स की वीडियो में इकट्ठा करना is a challenge. तो इसीलिए हमने बैठ के इस चीज को ना 3 लेवल्स में सॉर्ट कर लिया है, जो वंदना बताएगी आपको कि वो 3 लेवल्स क्या हैं जिसके अराउंड हम बात करने वाले हैं. बताओ वंदना.
Okay, so I think self care is very important topic, right? हम लोग करते हैं, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता, right? Sometimes like having a cup of tea, right? Like बैठ के आराम से चाय पीना, like yeah, exactly. But she's drinking coffee. I'll tell you, she's not a chai person. Yeah, I hope you remember, and if you have not, just watch the first episode and you'll get to know about it, right? Okay,
वाह क्या
so
प्रमोशन की है इतनी स्मूथ प्रमोशन की है वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद दिस वंदना वंदना बीइंग एन इंट्रोवर्ट ये थर्ड वीडियो में ये कमाल कर रही है slaying it okay sorry
it was also like unexpected for me also, like I'm trying, okay? So ठीक है, तो सेल्फ केयर पे आते हैं, टॉपिक पे भटकते नहीं है। या तो जब हम टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ की बात कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, हम इस एरिया को 3 एरियाज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज considering taking care of your physical health, right? Then taking care of your mental health, right? And sometimes I would say not doing anything is also a kind of a taking care, right? Like not doing anything, that's also a kind of a self care. So आज ये 3 एरियाज हैं, 3 टॉपिक्स हैं जिस पे हम लोग अपने अपने व्यू पॉइंट देने वाले हैं। एंड we are not going to make it like advice kind of a thing, but we are going to tell you what exactly we do and how this really help us, and what are the other options that you can try, because हर एक का तरीका जो है केयर करने का of yourself is very different. हर एक की liking disliking, हर एक का सब कुछ अलग अलग है। And I think what really matters is you choose your I would say areas, or like how do you take care of yourself, because हर एक को अपना ज्यादा पता होता है, right? So हम लोग पहले जो है टॉपिक पकड़े उठाए।
फिजिकल हेल्थ है पहला,
फिजिकल हेल्थ, या फिजिकल हेल्थ।
ऑल आवर ऑडियो लिसनर्स, अगर आपको हमारी हरकतें देखनी है जो हम साथ साथ कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी टेंड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ एक्शंस, so those who are listening us on Spotify or Anchor or Google Podcast, just switch on to YouTube once to check out, because I guess that makes a little more sense. Okay, and in case we are doing any actions, we will tell it verbally, लेकिन देखने के लिए आपको YouTube में आना पड़ेगा एक बारी। Okay, exactly. So yes, physical health, the first aspect is physical health. काफी कुछ है, there's a lot, and being girls there is actually a lot. So being a girl, I guess when I started going to the university and when summers hit in, the North India mein summers aate hain, and they are really bad, trust me, they are really bad. So whatever you do in winters, the kind of glowing skin you get in your winters, nice, wearing full sleeve tops, your arms all get detanned and you are white again, you have a constant skin tone throughout your body. As soon as summers come in, that gets ruined and you're tanned like shit. I mean, you tan like anything. You tan faster than salt dissolves in water. Okay, and trust me on this. And especially if you are a writer, by any chance, the way your arms get tanned. In fact, let me show this to you. I mean, for the audio listeners, please switch to YouTube. This is how you get tanned. Okay, this is how North Indian summers hit you real hard. Or situation may it's common to get these pimples, these skin problems. Your skin burns a lot, you tan a lot. Although there is a lot of there has been a lot of discussion around how you look, right? You shouldn't be complex, you shouldn't be under complex about how you're looking, but taking care of your skin, putting those 2 cucumber slices on your eyes or doing some yogurt DIY with your face, if that makes you feel calm, if that makes you feel happy and soothes your skin, makes you feel nice, so do it. Karo. So my form of self-care after 1 week of going to the university and working like a horse throughout the day for 16, 17, 18 hours, taking less sleep. After that, the weekend comes in as a treat for me and I take care of my skin. I give it good sleep. I give it, the goodness of nice DIYs. And then I also make sure that I am feeling good. At the end of the day, when I stand in front of the mirror, it should give me a sort of confidence. It boosts the confidence. So that is one thing I commonly do. Tu bata Vandana.
Okay.
Vandana is not I do. उसका थोड़ा अलग होगा system, मुझे पक्का पता है.
क्या दोबारा?
Vandana is not like me in these things. She's not very tacky about these things. She might suggest you something else, I guess.
Okay. So I think my kind of self-care for physical health is one, like you can do exercise, which is very very common, right? But I can tell you कि मैं भी उस पे बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ, right? It is not easy, right? Daily routine follow करना, and but you should do it. But it's also okay, like अगर आपने हफ्ते में 6 दिन नहीं किया है, 3 दिन कर लिया, 4 दिन कर लिया, if you're not in a mood, right? बिकॉज मुझे ये याद है व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग, तो मुझे ना कभी कभी एकदम से ज्यादा होता है कि आई शुड डू दिस ऑल्सो, आई शुड डू दिस ऑल्सो, आई शुड डू दिस ऑल्सो. तो कभी कभी आई यूज लाइक आई वॉच समथिंग ऑन यूट्यूब, लाइक आज थोड़ा हाई इंटेंसिटी काइंड ऑफ वाला करते हैं, तो वो पकड़ लिया. देन यूज टू बी लाइक अच्छा आज पिलाटेस ऐसे कुछ ऐसा कर लेते हैं, देन दिस पकड़ लिया. देन दिस लाइक बट यू शुड ट्राई इट, राइट? बट you should give that time to yourself to do the physical movement or something. Other than that, you can go for cycling or maybe just a random walk, because that's my like favorite part. Like, so kuch nahi hai, just go for a walk. And sometimes if I'm working also, so I'll just take a like 10-15 minutes break और मैं जाकर walk कर रही होती हूँ बाहर. And sometimes I see those birds like chirping, they chick 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 and chick, they're doing it like they're talking to each other and it's very very sweet. So ऐसे kind of thing, because with the nature and with everything you see, you feel the air on your face, and you see the like trees, like in all these kind of things. So having going for a 10-15 minutes walk, right, with yourself is also very important. So these kind of small physical health care tips, which I
let's say you are coming tired from your work or from your school or from your college, and you feel strained. तब तुम्हारे पास दो options होते हैं. You always have two options. One is to involve in some other work that you have for the rest of the day. The second option is to pause for 10 minutes, maybe take a steam bath, maybe take a hot water shower, or maybe just go relax under the fan, you know, थोड़ा सा अपनी body को relax करो, थोड़ा सा हाथ पैर हिलाओ, थोड़ा सा jerk करो अपने body parts को. So you have an option. In that case, if you're going with option 2, if that makes you feel happy, then don't shy away from taking those 10 minutes off your work and just relax. Okay? You know, taking care of your physical health is very important, because the day when you're not able to perform, the day when your arms are paining, you have shoulder aches, you have back aches, you have headaches, and you're not able to work, then you understand the importance of your physical health, right? So I would suggest कि अगर हो सकता है तो try to follow a very good routine. You know, every day waking up on time, sleeping in time, avoiding all sorts of, you know, get involving into habits जो आपको over time जगा के रखें, or else, you know, sleeping, excessive sleeping, oversleeping, ये सब चीजें जो हैं कहीं ना कहीं in the longer run they impact your physical body a lot, right? Now in this, one more aspects come in. One is that you are not feeling good because you have gained weight, or you are not feeling good because you're feeling weak in your body, right? दो aspects हैं. एक है कि society is making you believe that your body is not in the right shape. The second is you are not feeling happy or satisfied with the shape that you are in. First option अगर है, so no need to do anything for anybody. That is a part of body shaming, and we strictly are against it, right? But if you are the person who feels internally कि नहीं यार, something is not right with my body, maybe I'm developing a tummy, maybe I'm feeling very weak, I'm not eating well, you need to work on that. You know, get up early in the morning. अब fitness की definition जो है सबके लिए अलग है. You know, for me, fitness is my body should be feeling active. It should not get tired easily. You know, I should be enthusiastic throughout the day. That is what is fitness for me. For somebody, it could be developing certain inches on their arms. किसी के लिए एक ना सिक्स पैक होना एक फिटनेस होगी. किसी के लिए सिर्फ एक्टिव रहना, भागना दौड़ना, हंसते रहना is fitness, right? Find out your definition of fitness and try to make your routine in a way कि आपकी जो goal है, fitness goal है, आप eventually slowly you're able to achieve it. That will make you feel so confident. Trust me, you know, it will make you feel so confident. In that process, never skip food. I've seen people, you know, my mom says this to me very often कि ये भागा दौड़ी जिस चीज के लिए तुम कर रहे हो for food, you are missing out on your food, or you're eating it like this. Yeah, I'm listening to you, bro. Okay, what's up, bro? I'll just get in touch. I'll get in touch with you in 2 minutes. I'm in a meeting. Okay, sir, I had to present this to you. No, eat well, first of all. You know, even if we are foodies, okay? We eat all sorts of kachra, but make sure you balance it out with exercise and nutritious food as well. Side by side, take proper diets, you know. अपना ख्याल रखना, अच्छे से खाना, अच्छे से एक्सरसाइज करना, एक अच्छा रूटीन फॉलो करना इज ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ सेल्फ केयर. उस सबको स्किप करना इज ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ throwing yourself into a gutter while doing the work. This is what I feel. Now I guess Vandana will agree with me on this.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, exactly. Everything, हर एक का अपना अपना, I think they have their own way of like taking care of the physical health and do what you feel what is right for you, right? Now we move on to the second area, your second part, second sub level, whatever you want to say, that is your mental health, which is also very very important. Because physical health में दिख रहा है ना कि टमी निकल आया है या ये हो गया है या वेट लूज इतना हो गया या वेट गेन इतना हो गया, बट व्हाट अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ? if it is not right over here, then the whole body will get affected out of आपका जो work routine है या जो आपकी बाकी चीजें हैं, it will all get affected. So how do you take care of your mental health and how you can do that, right? So I should say, or you want to start?
अब तू स्टार्ट कर, मैं तो बंद ही नहीं होती शुरू होके.
अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. So if I have to talk about how I take care of my mental health, I would say I'm the kind of a person जिसके दिमाग में random thoughts चलते रहते हैं, right? I am not someone जिसके जो thoughts हैं they are all segregated, they are very well maintained or not. मेरे दिमाग में काफी चीजें जो है चलती रहती हैं and it's very very sometimes it's very disturbing for me also. So how I try to calm them down, and she knows very well, right? Because she knows very well कि मेरा क्या situation रहता है and how I deal with it.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with life. And when she clearly knows what to do, but randomly, there's a flood of thought. And I guess such kind of people are really creative. Don't underestimate this. If you are somebody जिनके दिमाग में thoughts चलते रहते हैं, I salute you. Because तुम्हारा दिमाग उतना capable है, इतना कुछ process कर रहा है. You guys are amazing. Okay, Vandana, continue.
Okay, चलो टॉपिक पे दोबारा आ जाते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंस जब हम लोग टॉपिक से हमेशा भाग जाते हैं और फिर हमें वापस आना पड़ता है, बट इट्स ओके. आज थोड़ा ऐसा ही वाला टॉपिक है तो थोड़ा निकल जाना, इट्स ओके, राइट? तो अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि हाउ डू आई टेक केयर ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ when I have all these thoughts going in my mind, so what I usually do is कभी कभी तो मैं इन थॉट्स को लेके बैठ जाती हूँ, right? Just let it be, right? That's the most important easy way. उसके अलावा what I do is I read, right? Or I write, right? So that helps me out to write down my thoughts, what I'm going through, what I'm feeling, right? Other than that, what really helps me is like drawing. So कभी भी जब भी ऐसे बेकार से random thoughts आ रहे होते हैं, when I have these all the thoughts going in my mind, so I just simply take a pen and pencil or something, or colors or crayons, or just start drawing it. So these are the kind of form of therapies I would say which I adopt to calm down myself, to calm down my thoughts. तो जो मेरे जो दिमाग में चीजें उथल पुथल मची हुई है ना, वो किसी तरीके से शांत हो जाए. And sometimes I just talk to her, right? तो मैं उस पे चीजें dump कर देती हूँ, see this is what I'm going through, and then she'll try to calm me down. So these are my kind of, I would say, mental health care that I adopt. So now your turn.
Trust me, although Vandana कह रही है कि वो ऐसी लिखती है, मतलब जब वो stressed out होती है, but she is one of those people, not because she's my friend, but generally the kind of stuff she writes is amazing. आजकल me and some other friends of her are in the process of convincing her कि भाई public कर दे उन सब चीजों को, let people know your talents, let people read कि तू क्या कर रही है, right? But then she writes some amazing things. She's very artistic. She has sketches on the wall behind her, and वो खुद sketching करती है, खुद drawing करती है. Rather, when we were working on a project together, she proposed कि उस project की सारी sketches मैं खुद बनाऊंगी. So yes, these are the things that really, she has these talents. So you know how to connect this with your stress. Connecting your hobbies and things that make you feel good with your stress is the most productive thing you can do. Now, one way to deal with your stress or anxiety or these emotions that flood in you and you don't know what to do with them, एक तरीका होता है कि you get angry, you get sad. तुम उस feeling को acknowledge करो. No doubt, you should acknowledge that emotion. But उसको vent out करने का एक तरीका होता है. One is the creative way. If you are a dancer, dance. If you are a painter, paint it. If you are a singer, sing it out. If you are somebody who likes to communicate, बात करो. If you're a writer, jot it down. So many creative ways. तुमने अपनी hobby के साथ उस stress को जोड़ा and a masterpiece will come out. The second way, which is the most commonly preferred way, जो हम voluntarily नहीं करते but हो जाता है हमसे, is to stress, to cringe, and to take it out on our loved ones, to get frustrated, to harm our relationships, right? To harm ourselves, to lock up ourselves and do something wrong with us, to underestimate ourselves कि I'm fit for nothing. These are the things which you can avoid. इनको avoid करने का क्या तरीका है? Replace them all with your hobbies. In fact, stress में ही क्यों, generally भी life में try to include these little things that make you happy in your everyday life. Let's say talking to my friends makes me extremely happy. So I will try to take out time to talk to Vandana and 2 or 3 of my other friends on an everyday basis. If not every day, no, fix a day. On weekends, on a day when you have a national holiday, on a day when you are generally free, talk to your friends. If you are an introvert, because I personally respect introverts a lot. You guys are the people who would, manage. There's so much going on inside you, but you can't even express it. Then journal it, write it down. जब तुम्हें लगे कि मेरे मन में कोई ख्याल आया है, लिख दो. तुम शायर हो तो शायरी बना दो, स्टोरी टेलर हो स्टोरी बना दो, कुछ नहीं है तो टूटे फूटे सेंटेंसेस बना दो, लेकिन write it down, take it up in some or the other way, right? Record it, record a voice message. This is something one of my friends told me when I was in class 7 or 8. What she would do was she would simply record the things and she would keep it in archives. In the later stage, she used to listen to it और तब वो खुद को खुद suggestion देती थी. Let alone everything, yeah. Sometimes I just go to the terrace, I look at the stars and moons and I talk to myself. अब उसमें लोगों को मैं पागल भी लग सकती हूँ, but if that is giving me peace,
it's okay. मैं भी उसी कैटेगरी में आती हूँ, so don't worry.
Exactly, it's okay. मतलब as long as it is giving you that sort of relaxation and break from your otherwise stressful life, it's all right. Okay, inculcate these little things in your life on an everyday basis. Do these. Take small breaks for yourself. Cook yourself your favorite food at times. Binge watch करो. कभी-कभी तुम्हारा मन है कुछ अच्छा देखने का, तो maybe watch something जो तुम्हें emotionally stir करे, जो तुम्हारी emotional intelligence को जगाए, right? और कुछ नहीं तो यार, मतलब I would say कुछ भी feel नहीं हो रहा तो ठीक है, आराम से बैठो, acknowledge your emotions, and just try to pat your back. यार, you have come a long way. It's okay. You've come a long way. तूने बहुत कुछ देखा, बहुत तरह के लोगों को देखा, बहुत तरह की situations को देखा. Cool. Shopping करने का शौक है, shopping करने जाओ. Make sure you invest before going for that shopping. If you are a shopaholic, so saving should be your habit. Otherwise, your family is going to, they are going to struggle a lot to fulfill your demands. तो yes, I guess अगर stressful moments है life में तो आप ये short term methods use कर सकते हो. अगर stressful नहीं भी है तो generally life में इन छोटी छोटी चीजों को include करके, अपनी hobbies को include करके, अपनी उन चीजों को include करके that make you happy, आप जो है एक अच्छा lifestyle जी पाते हो. And in this process, always remember कि your mental peace should be your priority. ठीक है, whatever, if that's a person or a situation which is snatching away your mental peace from you. Now we are not suggesting कि आप challenges से भागो, no. But if you clearly know that एक particular conversation or a particular project or dealing with a particular situation is not going to give you anything but is going to snatch away your mental peace, avoid it. Avoid anything that's going to add to the toxicity that you have in life. That is a practice which you should do every day, and eventually your life will become happy. On top of that, learn to appreciate people, learn to see the good side in people. When you constantly try to observe the good in people, तो आपका ना mind setup वैसा बन जाता है. You become a very positive person. You tend to stress less. Me and Vandana, I don't think we have ever had a chat about a person and the negative aspects or impacts of a person on our life. Although we have so many people we deal with in common on an everyday basis. But I don't remember any such conversation जो हमने की हो. Rather, we would love to acknowledge, कि okay, I really like this particular quality in that person, and that motivates us to learn that quality from that person. So yes, make sure you are trying to identify positives and take out positives from every situation. That will also cool you down and make you feel good. It's a part of self-care, क्योंकि अगर आप ये सब नहीं करोगे तो लोग आपके लिए भी ये सब नहीं करेंगे. Again, I exceeded my time. You have anything to add, Vandana?
Yeah, definitely. See, जब लवप्रीत जर्नलिंग की बात कर रही थी फॉर इंट्रोवर्ट, राइट, उसमें मेरे को एक चीज लगी कि इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर इंट्रोवर्ट बट ऑल्सो फॉर एक्सट्रोवर्ट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज राइट, तो उनका भी रहता है, मतलब आई नो दे आर वेरी आई वुड से एक्सप्रेसिव, they talk to a lot of people, but sometimes they have their one side जो शायद वो किसी को शो भी नहीं कर पाते हैं, and you know that you want to have your me time. So I think for journaling, writing, or expressing ourselves in these format, for extrovert also is a very good tool, right? And for second चीज जो भी
सोशल प्रेशर भी होता है कि उन्होंने जो ये इमेज बना रखी है, जॉली इमेज, फिर उन्हें मेंटेन भी करनी होती है, तो इन दैट प्रोसेस यू नो दे टेंड टू नॉट you know conceal, they tend to conceal their insecurities या जो उनके ये concerns होते हैं at times, उसको समझने के लिए your diary is your best friend because it's not gonna spill your secrets, ठीक है, until it is caught by somebody. And
so you have to like lock it and put it somewhere जहाँ पे किसी की नजर ना जाए.
और ऊपर से कोई जजमेंट भी नहीं होगी जब आप लिख रहे हो, जब आप आई राइट अ डायरी एवरी डे, ठीक है, तो वो एक ऐसी चीज है, और आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद गुड फ्रेंड्स, बट मतलब इट्स पार्ट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड सर्कल जो मुझे जज नहीं करती. यस, गो फॉर इट द वे यू वांट टू. यार सीधी सी बात ये है कि कर दो एक्सप्रेस, वेंट इट आउट हाउएवर यू लाइक, जैसे अच्छा लगता है, वेंट इट आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हॉबीज, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ राइटिंग, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पीच, या इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.
Yeah. और सेकेंड थिंग जो लवप्रीत ने मेंशन करी, which was very very true, कि removing the toxic, like not, I'm not saying removing, but not giving that time and effort to the toxicity. It could be in the form of any kind of people or any kind of conversations or situations. So like I'm not saying you just avoid it or remove it, but what you can do is कि उसमें invest करना अगर नहीं लग रहा है जरूरी है, so don't do it, right? कोई आपको पनिश नहीं करने वाला है, राइट, एंड कोई आपको जज नहीं करने वाला है, और जो करेगा भी तो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स, आफ्टर ऑल इट्स यू, राइट, एंड व्हाट रियली मैटर्स इज यू. ओके, सो जो थर्ड टॉपिक है या थर्ड एरिया है आफ्टर फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ, द थर्ड एरिया विच यू कैन वर्क ऑन, या जिसके थ्रू हम अपनी केयर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, right? I know it's going to be a little bit of like कि अरे ये क्या बोल दिया दोनों ने, like कुछ ना करो, ये कैसी केयर हो गई भाई, but it actually is really a good care. कभी कभी कुछ ना भी करना, it's also like not doing anything, just going to a sleep, सो जाओ जाके, नेक्स्ट डे उठेंगे देखेंगे जो होगा देखा जाएगा, राइट, बट यू ना हैव दीज ऑल लाइक थॉट्स गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड, ये पड़ा है, ये चीजें करनी है, वो नहीं करना है, काफी कुछ है, बट यू नीड टू लाइक काम डाउन. सो जस्ट नेक्स्ट डे देखते हैं, अभी के लिए जस्ट relax it out, just sleep, right? Sometimes you can do lie down and just look at the ceiling of your wall, right? That's also very one thing that you can do. कुछ भी मत करो, दीवारों को घूरते रहो, देखते रहो, right? These are very very funny things, but yeah, just like sitting at the balcony, right? ऐसे बैठे हैं, आसमान में देख रहे हैं, like you know that Lafpreet mentioned earlier, like looking at the stars, like not doing anything. So this is also a kind of a self care. कभी कभी कुछ ना भी करना.
These are really, you know, lame things, but I guess, you know, अगर आपको हमारा lifestyle, if we could just share it with you, me and Vandana, the kind of lifestyle we have is very sedentary. It's very occupied. There are a bunch of things that we do in a day, and obviously I think everybody does that. And these days, on top of everything, क्योंकि सब कुछ online है, it makes things all the more complex and stressful, and you know, it doesn't allow you that space. You're always in public, despite being at home, ठीक है, you're always under observation, you're always working, है ना, आप हमेशा काम कर रहे हो. तो इस सारे प्रोसेस में हमारी अब आदत क्या बन चुकी है कि we can't sit free. मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि अगर किसी दिन असाइनमेंट्स नहीं है, काम नहीं, कोई ऐसा दिन आ जाता है when I'm free from everything, instead of feeling happy, I might actually start stressing, like, oh my god, I don't have anything to do today. No? So we have to be very frank, we have become workaholic to an extent कि हमारी नेचर में, हमारे डीएनए में, हमारे जीन्स में आ गई है वो चीज कि हम फ्री बैठने से अब हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है. लेकिन साइंस हैज प्रूवन दिस कि कभी कभी फ्री बैठना इज द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, फ्री बैठने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू नो free बैठना is also like connecting with your bigger self. एक आप हो, you know, the life that we see on an everyday basis, very limited, very restricted. Me, my family, my colleagues, my profession, my room, my books, my laptop, ठीक है, my job, my responsibilities, my course, my assignments. And then there is a bigger world, the universe, the environment, the nature. अब ये सब सुन के 1 मिनट के लिए लगेगा कि भाई साहब क्या आध्यात्मिक जगह पे पहुंच गए हो आप, ठीक है. But trust me, at times connecting with this bigger self, you know, beyond yourself, beyond your body, is the much needed relaxation. The concept of mindfulness, meditation, ये चीजें जो है, these allow you to not just sitting idle. These allow you to connect with the universe and take energies from there. वो जो अलग अलग लेवल का जो एक सिंक होता है ना जो आप करते हो, it is very peaceful. Now there are days जब me and Vandana are actually on calls, but nobody is speaking. Nobody is speaking. We are calm. We're just sitting. You know, कोई गाना चल रहा है and we are both dancing to it. You know, our WhatsApp groups and our Instagram friends know this. If we do these kind of random things, now it might feel ki, what lame thing is this? But that little time which you just let yourself be, कि करो यार, जो दिल कर रहा है करो. That really gives you the motivation and the inspiration to work harder उस break के बाद. You know, it's very important. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, एक 6-7 घंटे की अच्छी deep sleep के बाद you're ready for the day. So similarly, when you are leaving yourself free, जब आप mindfulness practice कर रहे हो, जब आप आराम से बैठना सीख गए हो, जब आप बिना किसी काम के, ये जो हमें ये impulsive emotion है ना, हमेशा कुछ करते रहना, ये चीज कर, जब आप relax होना सीखोगे ना, तो that will give you a lot of energy. वो आपको टैप करेगी to positive energy sources, and that energy is going to multiply your productivity in the future. So you might feel कि I'm wasting a few hours or I'm wasting some time, जो कि मेरा perspective होता था a few months back. I used to feel अगर मैं free बैठी हूँ तो I'm wasting time. But you know, that actually boosts your productivity. और जो काम आपने 4 घंटे में करना था, उस break के बाद you might do it in 2 hours.
Exactly. You need that pause. In your life. And जो connectivity की बात करी with the universe, it just make you realize that you are a very small dot in this like whole big universe, right? And whatever you do, whatever,
you know, we have this assumption कि मैं अगर एक दिन काम पे नहीं गई तो सब कुछ रुक जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सब life goes on, everything goes on. We lose so many people on an everyday basis, but life has to go on. तो ये हमारे लिए अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत जरूरी है कि इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ वर्क, इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइफ, व्हेन लाइफ हैपेंस, वी टेंड टू ओवर एस्टिमेट आवर पोजीशंस कि शायद मेरे बिना कुछ नहीं चलेगा. बट एंड इन दैट प्रोसेस यू डोंट इवन अलाउ योरसेल्फ स्पेस, और सेल्फ लव तो बहुत दूर की बात. तो यस, दिस रियली हेल्प्स यार, दिस रियली हेल्प्स. एंड इन एडिशन टू दैट, अगर इफ यू आर लाइक अ रिलीजियस पर्सन, यू नो, praying really helps. For me, in my college days, I used to live in Fatehgarh Sahib, which is like a very a holy place, very historic place for Sikh. Okay, and there used to be gurudwaras on both the sides of my university. What I used to do is I used to go there in the evenings and sit there for hours quietly. वो कीर्तन चलता था और मैं चुपचाप बैठ के सुनती थी. Right now, that was my way of, you know, collecting all the thoughts I had in the day, compressing it all, and letting them go. If you are a religious person, you know, spiritual, if you're a spiritual person, rather, let me not use the word.
I would say spiritual is like the right word, right? Not
meditation
religious.
And just praying and just connecting with Almighty.
Just connecting to the big power, or big, you know, the power that is above you, right? Which is like the main source of all the energies, right? So connecting to that is also very, very, very important. So these are the 3 things which we thought, 3 areas which we thought that is very, very important for your, oh, life is too short to be serious. Oh my God. What a coincidence.
So if you can't laugh on yourself, call me. I'll laugh at you.
Yeah, oh my God.
These kind of decor items at home also really help.
Yeah, exactly. Just collect all these things and put it in your like room, and आते जाते उसको पढ़ते रहो और खुद ही मोटिवेट होते रहो.
Posters
किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
I guess, you know, मैं और Vandana and a lot of my other friends, you know, the other day I was having this chat with Sehjot, who is one of my classmates and a very close friend. For us, the concept of vibe matters a lot. Yes, I guess ये बहुत बड़ा topic है. इसके बारे में हम एक separate podcast कर सकते हैं कि
Separate, yeah, exactly.
vibe and environment actually affect your productivity and how your behavior. कैसे बदलती है ये चीजें आपके around जो है आपको, right? But yes, अगर आपको लगता है कि intrinsic motivation नहीं आ रही है या आप pleasant feel नहीं कर रहे हो, give your room a revamp यार. Go and make your room, your workspace the way you like, जो तुम्हारी personality को reflect करे. कुछ लोग बड़े मेसी से वर्क स्पेस में बड़े ही जम्बल्ड अप रूम में रहना पसंद रहते हैं एंड देन दे फील कि हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, देयर इज समथिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट इट. क्लीन अप, सुबह उठ के अपना बेड बनाओ. First habit, this is, it's a very famous, very famous quotation to, I don't remember किसने ये बोला है, but very rightly said कि if you want to make a change, start from making your bed. सुबह उठो, बेड बनाओ, clean up your room, customize things according to your convenience. I love music, I have guitar in my room. ठीक है, I love colors, my room is very colorful. I have all sorts of posters, soft toys, cushions, a lot of books, and I'm literally ordering a book rack now. इतनी books हो गई हैं. So whatever defines your personality, आप bold हो, to use bold colors in your room, right? जो चीजें आप खुशी दे, so as soon as you enter that space, you feel this separate level of motivation. ना एक डल सा कमरे को आप अगर अपने हिसाब से पर्सनलाइज करोगे, जैसे वंदना ने वो स्केचेस लगाए हुए हैं, हम लोगों ने फेरी लाइट्स लगाई हुई हैं अपने रूम में, तो जब मूड रात को जब अपना दिमाग सेट करना है, सब बंद, फेरी लाइट्स ऑन, लैंप ऑन, और आराम से बैठ के बुक पढ़ रहे हैं. तो दीज थिंग्स, नॉट सेइंग कि आप बहुत खर्चा करो इन चीजों में, बट दीज लिटिल थिंग्स दैट यू डू टू चेंज द स्टिमुलस according to your personality really helps to lift your mood, and it is also a form of self care again, है ना यार. बात करते करते कितने आइडियाज आ जाते हैं यार,
सही में, मतलब I don't know. चलो, but I think we should wrap up now.
Yeah,
what do you say?
Quite a lot of time.
नहीं तो हमारा तो ऐसे ना ये है कि it's going to be like a long episode, because हमारी बातें तो खत्म होती नहीं है, and आप लोग सुन के पक जाओगे. So it's important that we should like,
I would really like, yeah, आप लोग ना comments में, if you guys are actively listening to us, give us suggestions. What should we talk about? आपको क्या,
yeah, exactly, what do you want to listen to, what we should talk about, right? And just tell us like what do you want to listen to.
Today we can talk about anything. You give us a random topic, तुम काओ बोलोगे, हम काओ के बारे में 1 घंटे का सेशन कर सकते हैं. But then the point is कि आपको जो सुनना है, हम उस तरह की बातें अगर करेंगे या उस तरह के experiences अपने share करेंगे, so it will make a lot more sense for you, and we will feel good कि we could reach out to you, we could actually deliver you what you were seeking. Yes, give us your suggestions in the comment box, and हमारी बातें सुन के, if you could relate at any point, if you have some other tips or other things that you do for self care, how you show yourself some love, how you make yourself feel happy, share it with us. It is a community, we'll all learn from each other. और क्या पता we explore कि कोई और चीज भी है that can make us happy, but हमें पता नहीं था, right?
हमें पता नहीं exactly. जिस तरह ये पॉडकास्ट है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ टेक केयर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ये भी सेल्फ केयर का ही एक बहाना है हमारा, पता है. We should take,
because we are excited about this. कभी स्ट्रेस नहीं होता इस चीज को लेके, and although we are always late in recording, and our editor Pawan is always angry कि भाई तुम लोग टाइम से क्यों नहीं करते कुछ. But then the moment we sit back and want to record it, we are so happy and we are so enthusiastic suddenly कि अरे करेंगे, मजा आएगा, and stuff like that, right? Yeah, so I guess that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. अगर आपने end तक सुना है तो thank you so much for bearing with us. And guys, if you come here, if you listen to us, make sure you also subscribe to our channel, क्योंकि we really want to reach out to more of you. We really want to talk to more of you. अगर हमारी वीडियो से एक किसी रैंडम बंदे के फेस पे भी स्माइल आ जाती है, our task will be done. And it's a form of motivation we get when you guys comment, or when you guys give us your feedback and subscribe to the channel. So make sure if you're here, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and connect with us personally. Vandana is a wonderful poet. So yes, follow her on her Instagram account. We will be linking it in the description box, and convince her to make it public. क्योंकि वो नहीं कर रही है, हमारी बात तो वो नहीं मान रही है. And then, Baki, we will see you in the next episode with another amazing topic, with some amazing experiences and stories. Right, Vandana?
या एग्जैक्टली, हम लोग अपना बातों का पिटारा लेके will come up will come up and like see you soon very well. Yeah.
Until then,
So
love yourself.
until then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Right? जो भी हमने आज बातचीत करी है उसमें से if you feel कि कुछ कुछ like items हैं that you can चोरी कर सकते हो, just let it. Yeah. You don't mind. ले लो.
Chalo. Love you guys, and yes, take care of yourself. We hope to see you very, 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 very soon. Bye bye.
Bye.